My school teacher. My school has many wonderful teachers, but there is one special teacher who stands out to me. Her name is Mrs. Johnson, and she teaches English. Mrs. Johnson is always friendly and patient. She makes learning fun by using games and interesting stories. I used to find English challenging, but she explains things in a way that makes it easier to understand. She encourages us to ask questions and never hesitates to help when we are stuck. What I appreciate most about Mrs. Johnson is her kindness. She genuinely cares about her students, both academically and personally. She often shares advice and listens to our concerns. Her positive attitude brightens the classroom, and I look forward to her lessons. Having such a caring and dedicated teacher like Mrs. Johnson makes my school experience enjoyable. I am grateful for the impact she has on my learning journey. Like, comment, share, and follow. Subscribe my YouTube channel link in the TikTok bio. Thank you.